monster.
Hello guys, for this update it's Kirali, and I will be showing you a cool app I made, which is very useful and is the first useful app I think I have ever made, and it's called Kirali's File Through SMS. And what it actually does, it's like the name says, you can send any kind of file you want through an SMS message, or actually more SMS messages, but I don't think that's a drawback. Anyway, the way the app works is pretty simple. It just takes the file and converts it into text, so you can send over messages, and it will help you decode and code those messages, so you won't have to have trouble with this. And I will show you the interface of the file. Is pretty simple. You will have, here is the log area, here is a progress bar, and here is the buttons you will want to use. In this example I will be showing you how to send a simple file. You can send any kind of file, but for this particular example I will be using a txt file, which I will make here. You gotta hit randomly in your file browser. You're just gonna go to random path. You're gonna make a new file. I'm sorry if I can't get a camera to focus, but I'm not sure where it is. You're just gonna enter random name, ppp like. It will make the file called ppp. You're gonna enter the file, open as a text file. I repeat, just for this example, it doesn't have to be a text file. You can send anything, but it will depend on the size of the file. Anyway, you're gonna write some random stuff here, like I have written. Here's a Y here. Not sure why it is. Anyway, you will just save the file and go back to your app. Okay, now what you will have to do is choose file. You're gonna choose your favorite file browser. You're gonna hit the file you just made, ppp, and it will choose a normal Android way. And now what the app will do is read the file, encode it, and it will dump the file in a txt file in SD card FTS temp. This can't be changed yet because I'm not such a good programmer, but I will be doing it as soon as I get some more experience. Anyway, I will be quick showing you how the file is saved. Here's temp.txt, which the file made, and it looks something like that. Okay, I know it's not quite efficient, and I can make it a lot smaller, and it will take less messages to send. Now, what you will have to do next is enter a phone number, which I will obviously not gonna enter because I made the same mistake some years ago and people kept calling me for random stuff. And let's get back to the subject. After you do this, you will either have two options: to decode the file or to send it via an SMS. I will decode it for you to show you this feature. If you hit decode, clicking star blah 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 will start decoding this file. Okay, and it will say decoding, and it dumped the file. This is actually pretty quick. It's quicker than encoding the file, and it will ask you to check this file, which saves as a photo, because the app was originally intended to be as a photo sharing app. Now I made it to use any kind of crap. No, I'm not sure what I'm gonna talk. So you can use any kind of file. Now, if you open this file, you open it up as a text file. There we go, and it will be exactly what I wrote in the other one here. Okay, now this is how the decoding works. Now, how does the SMS work? You'll just have to enter the phone number, and you will hit SMS, and it will give you a warning. Are you sure you want to do this? It will take 1 messages because the file is long enough to be in one single message. And it also gives you a warning that it takes about 5 minutes for 13 messages to be sent. Now, I know this is quite a lot, but I can't do anything about it because it is the speed of the cell network, and this cannot really be changed. And there is also one more thing. For now, you can't send messages above 14 of them, because I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure if this is true. I've just written it there. You can go up to 255, and I will give you an example. If you go to your file library, no, if you choose a photo, but I will do this here because I don't want you to see my gallery because it's quite personal, to be honest. Okay, now I'll just choose a random photo, and it will start encoding it, and it will dump the file. Now you're just gonna write your phone number, and if you hit SMS, it will say that due to technical incompatibilities, the photo cannot be sent because it has 1063 messages and the maximum is 255. And here's a suggestive text. Okay, basically this is how this works. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is quite the first useful app I ever made. And I know it's not pretty